Hi, welcome to RAR Math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on polynomials. For this video, I have set f of x equal to 9x plus 4 and g of x equal to 3x minus 16. For the first part, what I want to do is find f of x times g of x. That's what this notation means. It doesn't mean there's going to be an extra x multiplied to the product. It just means f of x times g of x. So I have 9x plus 4, f of x, times 3x minus 16. So 9x times 3x is 27x squared. 9x times 16 is a negative 144x. 4 times 3 is a plus 12x. And 4 times a negative 16 is a negative 64. And when I add together, I get 27x squared minus 132x minus 64. Because the multiplication and division is different, I'm going to do these in parallel. This is f of x divided by g of x. Again, these aren't multiplication, nothing cancels. But what I'm going to end up with here is 9x plus 4 divided by 3x minus 16. It could only be reduced if something factored out. I cannot divide the 3 and the 9. I can't take a 2 out of anything here. This is a single number. And this is a single number, and nothing can divide out until something is factored, and there's nothing to factor. Okay, so I'm going to scooch this up. My next question is domain. Because this is a basic polynomial, there are no restrictions on x. So negative infinity to positive infinity, or you can say double bar r if you prefer. As for the domain of this has a fraction, and we know in a fraction the denominator, 3x minus 16, cannot equal 0, which means 3x cannot equal 16, and my domain becomes x does not equal 16/3. So this is a more interesting domain because we do have a fraction, we do have a restriction. Now if I put negative 2 in for this, I get 27 times negative 2 squared minus 132 times negative 2 minus 64. This becomes 108 plus 264 minus 64, which gives us a final answer of 308. As for this one with my fraction, let's see, make sure we can see it all. There we go. If I put in a negative 2, I have 9 times negative 2 plus 4 divided by 3 times negative 2 minus 16. So this is going to be negative 18 plus 4, that's negative 14. Negative 6 minus 16, that's negative 22. First of all, get rid of those negatives. Always get rid of the negatives if it's a negative divided by a negative. I'm also going to reduce it by 2 so that I end up with 7/11 as my final answer. Awesome. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks!